Hello everyone, welcome to Olympiad Math Academy. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Today I'm here with a new question, and the question is the 2 power 22 minus 2. The answer is unknown to us. So if you have such a question with the power is so big, have to attempt such questions. So in first step, I would like to convert the power into smaller numbers. So you know that we can write this as 2 power 10 plus 10 plus 2, because 10 plus 10 plus 2 is already equals to 22, and I would like to place the negative 2 here. Now according to a math formula, during multiplication the power will be added. Now we are going to do the opposite process of that, and we are going to multiply the 2 many times, and then the power will be added, so we can write the that like 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Okay, so with every 2 I would like to write a separate power as 2 power 10, 2 power 10, and 2 power 2, and I would like to place the 2 as it is. The answer is still unknown to us. Now it's a bit easy for us to calculate the 2 power 10, so I'm going to write the first one as 2 power 10 like this. This is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and again like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means that 10 times the 2 is repeating, right? Now I have to multiply. It is 2 power 10 multiply with the 2 power 2 and negative 2. First of all, I would like to calculate the this part, because if I calculate the answer to this part, it means that will also be the answer for this part. So let me calculate it, and so 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, 64 times 2 is 128, 128 times 2 is 264, and 264 times 2 is 512, and 512 times 2 is 1024. So we got the answer is 1024 from this part only, right? Now the same is the answer to this part, so that's why I will multiply it with the 1024, and the same is again like 2 power 2, so that is only 4, because 2 power 2 is like 2 times 2, so that is 4, and negative 2. Okay, so now let's calculate 1024 or 1024 times 1024 times 4. So it's multiplication, and I'm going to do it in the rough work. So the answer to 1024 times 1024, if I multiply these two numbers, I get the answer is 1,000,000 48,576. It can be written in this way: 1,048,576. Now I have to multiply 4 into it, and then I have to subtract 2 from it. So if I multiply 4 to the 1,048,576, I get the answer is 4,194,304. As I forgot to put negative 2 here, and again negative 2 here, and the answer is still unknown to me. So if I subtract 2 from here, I will get the answer is 4,194,302. So this is the answer to that question. So if you remember, I would like to write the question again. The question was 2 power 22, and we have broken down the 22 into small parts like 10 and 10 and 2, and then we attempted one by one, and we got the answer is 4,194,302. So that's the final answer.